Hi mga kabiyan, so today it's May 18, 2024. Bibisitahin natin ang Gigantes Island na matatagpuan sa bayan ng Carles. Ang Gigantes ay isa sa mga sikat na pasyalan sa probinsya ng Iloilo. Mag-island hopping tayo sa Boracay na White Sand Beach Resort sa ilang isla. Bisitahin rin natin ang Tanke Saltwater Blue Lagoon, Sandbar, and magtatapos tayo sa Selfie Island. Stay tuned para sa total cost ng ating adventure kung magkano ba ang ating nagastos. Kung bago ka lang sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe and like na rin sa ating video. Time check is around 6:30 AM and we are here in Balasan town, which is just right next to Carles. We actually took off in Banate around 4 AM dahil ang total distance is around 90 plus kilometers and more or less 1 hour and a half na biyahe. If you are from Iloilo City pa, they offer joiner van pickup at 4 AM and you will be traveling around 2 to 3 hours. One way pa lang yan. So tip number 1. Book a sleepover apartment in Carles. To have a fully enjoyable experience sa Gigantes Tour, avoid booking a hotel in Iloilo City, which is around 150 kilometers away. It will take much of your time in traveling back and forth for 6 hours in average. So imagine na lang ilang oras ka nakaupo sa compressed van na parang sardinas. Instead, I suggest na mag-book ng mga tourist apartment sa Carles mismo para hindi ka na gumising na alas 3 ng madaling araw and you have more time sa pagre-rest. If you are traveling in private, the tanod at the entrance of Bangkal Fishport will guide you on your day parking with a small amount of gratitude. The best thing here is that you will park right next to their outpost, so safe na safe ang car or motorcycle. And this is Carles, the last town in northern Iloilo situated at the tip peninsula of the main island. It has a population of around 72,000 and actually a second-class municipality. Sa kanilang main source of income is either fishing or tourism. After you arrive, proceed to the tourism building right next to the port and look for your agency. We booked Sicogon and Gigantes Tour, however, I'm not totally satisfied with our package, so you should hear this. Tip number 2, book a tour for Gigantes Island only. As I have mentioned, our tour included Sicogon Island, pero sa personal opinion ko lang, hindi po siya worth it. Because 1, travel time from port to Sicogon is more than 1 hour. This is on top of Sicogon to Gigantes with another 1 hour, so you have more than 2 hours to travel sa boat. Sicogon Island offers minimal attractions, so yung 1 hour travel mo, mas okay na i-spend mo na lang sa Gigantes Island. 3, there's only one resort in Sicogon and we only spent less than 30 minutes and then proceed na tayo 1 hour boat again going to Gigantes. I have nothing against Sicogon actually. Yung mga tao friendly po. Pero unless na you're planning to spend the night in Sicogon, you should avoid including this in your tour and better spend that 1 hour boat ride sa Gigantes instead. After natin mag-Sicogon, punta naman tayo sa Tanke Saltwater Lagoon.
Okay, ma'am sir, welcome pala ma'am sa Tanke Lagoon, mama.
Wala po tayong nakikitang information about this place online, so this is just my observation. Some people said that it reminds them of Kayangan Lake in Palawan, but that's not trying to compare dahil it's unique to Gigantes. It looks like a limestone formation that has been eroded in time, kaya na-form ang lagoon. And base po sa ating tour guide, this place they called Hayay. Hayaan means there's no high or low tide. Make sure na yung tour package na nakuha mo included ang Tanke Saltwater Lagoon dahil napakaganda niya po. After this, we travel around 5 to 10 minutes to the other side of the island for our lunch. Sa tour package natin included na free lunch with unlimited scallop. Na-enjoy namin yung lunch, sobra. And if you want, meron din namang small businesses, pwede kang bumili ng gusto mo like shakes, fried scallops, and with free taste na yan, and a small sar-sar store. Actually, when we were here, low tide po yung beach, so we have to walk with water up to our waist dahil hindi makalapit yung sinasakyan naming bangka. The water is so clear and pristine, then may konting coral and stone formation malapit lang sa beach. Dito ka na rin magstay if you choose to get a sleepover. I'm sure na mas na-enjoy nyo po kung mag-overnight stay po kayo. After our lunch, diretso na tayo sa Antonia Beach Resort na may mapipinong white sands. Located lang po siya sa same island ng Tanke Saltwater Lagoon, pero nasa southern tip ang kanyang exact location. Madadaanan natin ang same spot kanina and mas nakaka-mesmerizing pala ang limestone formation na pwede kang mag-cliff diving or rock climbing. Merong isang banda sa rock formation na to na parang isang bungo ng tao kung titigan. Meron din small caves na pwede mong i-explore pero syempre on different tour package na yan. Konting kembot lang and we arrived sa Antonia Beach Resort. Kilala ang Antonia Beach Resort na mala Boracay na white sands. Meron ding water activities dito na pwede mong subukan tulad ng jet ski, banana boat, and fish feeding. Make sure lang meron kang dalang goggles or you can buy one naman sa island. Usually mga tour packages ay may inclusion na sa Antonia Beach Resort. Meron din silang small grocery store na you can buy like water, soft drinks, chicherias. Meron din mga lutong bahay na merienda like banana cue, pansit at kung ano-ano pa. After this, we hop to another island na tinawag nilang Bantigue Sandbar. Hindi nga lang tayo ng tagal dahil medyo mainit ng panahon and it's around 2:30 PM na nang nakarating tayo sa sandbar. So, kumuha lang tayo ng drone shots. Right after that, diretso na tayo sa Cabugao Gamay o mas kilalang Selfie Island. What you usually see sa internet about Gigantes Island's pictures or images ay most likely galing po sa island. One of the most popular stops in Gigantes Island Tour. Medyo crowdy lang ang island dahil it's a must for selfie pictures and souvenirs. But aside from that, you can swim din sa other side of the beach na exclusive for recreation while the other side ay ginagawang port para sa ating mga bangka. This was our last island stop and supposedly meron pang isang island na pupuntahan sana. But then ang time frame hindi na magkasya because it's around 3 PM na dumating tayo. And nagtapos ang selfie activity around 4:30 PM na. At dito na magtatapos ang ating Gigantes Island adventure. But before that, recap muna tayo sa nagastos natin and cinematic shots na rin sa the end of the video. So stay tuned. Dahil gumamit tayo ng isang Z650 na big bike and isang ADV 160, gumastos tayo sa fuel back and forth from Banati to Carles, umabot sa 900 pesos. Parking fee natin ay 120 para sa dalawang motor. And we bought water sa 7-Eleven, 500 ml for 2 bottles ay another 120. Syempre bumili rin tayo ng chicherias worth of 100 pesos sa Sicogon Island. para sa pagpalipas ng oras sa biyahe. Another 240 pesos para sa avocado and mango shakes during sa ating lunch. These are on top of 1,600 pesos per head sa island tour package, which is a total of 3,200 pesos. In total, ang nagastos natin is 4,560 pesos only, but of course around 500 ay extra purchases na rin, pero hindi po siya mandatory. Alright, so if na-enjoy po kayo sa ating adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe sa ating channel for our future videos like this. Goodbye!